In our last video, we did this fake God rays effect, and I was trying to boost it using a light source inside while parenting it into the shape. But whenever I scale the God rays around, the light seems to run out of power due to the size. So I need to adjust that as well. And that's why we here, to see how we can connect two variables or link two values in Blender, so that whenever one change, the other follows. To make it simple, I will take a cube, a mesh, same as the God rays in the previous example, and a light. Let's try to connect the cube scale with the light power, and doing that is easy using what's called drivers in Blender. To do that, go to the light power value, right-click on it, and choose Add a Driver. A driver's property window will pop up. Here, we can link the object affecting the light scale, which, in this case, is the cube. Now, if you move the mouse away, the pop-up window will disappear. You can get it back by right-click on the light power again and choose Edit Driver, or you go by the Open a Driver editor for a more stable window on the side. Once you pick the cube, you need to select which transform you want to go by: location, rotation, or scale. And I scaled the object back then on X and Y, so picking any of them will work fine. The expression here, the var plus 100, var means variable, is the cube scale plus a 100 in this case. Thus, we now have 101 value in light power. So if I scale the cube 3 times, the power will go up to 103, which is not much of a boost in area light, so I can change the expression. Maybe make it 25 the variable plus the initial light power. So 25 times 1 plus 100. Cool, right? Scaling the cube now by 3 will boost the light power to 175, which can help keep the light power balanced if it's parented to an object. And that's it. I thought this worth sharing, so I hope it helped. Do like and subscribe if you're still here, and see you next time. Stay sharp. Goodbye.